Transitioning from girl to womanhood is indeed a unique journey. It involves developing a sense of self, discovering your values, gaining a deeper understanding of your aspirations and your emotions, embracing responsibilities and independence, as well as self-confidence. It is also a time for self-reflection, self-growth, learning, unlearning, and just navigating through life and the challenges life throws at you. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some of the tips that has helped me to transit throughout 2023. These are just lessons I have learned throughout 2023 that has by force transitioned me into a woman that I am today. So if that sounds like what you want, please do stick around, and without anything further, let us dive right into today's video. Now, the first tip I'm going to be mentioning in today's video is something that I have found very important and I have learned this year, which is to invest in yourself beyond your physical appearance. I am somebody who is all about investing in your looks. What you wear matter, how you do your hair matters, how you look, present yourself, it matters, which is basically true, as we all should know by now if you're used to my channel. But also in today's video, I want you to understand that you need more than just investing in your physical appearance to really be that woman that you have aspired to be. You need to invest in other things as well, your career, your education, just far beyond your physical appearance generally. Investing in yourself can help you gain knowledge, build meaningful relationships, help you grow your career, your education, learn a skill. There are so many different areas and so many different spheres where you can invest in yourself beyond your physical appearance. Okay, you have to be beautiful, but your beauty also needs to come with substance. So don't just be a beautiful house with no furniture, a beautiful house with nothing of substance that can really make anybody want to stay or be comfortable in that home. I'm just using that as an example. Now, what I want you ladies to do is always to look beyond your physical. Right now, what you should be focusing on, especially if you're at a certain stage, if you're in your early 20s, you guys know what all I'm sharing is the things I have learned. I am just 21, I'm still learning, I'm still growing. But if this year has taught me anything, it is always to invest beyond what you wear, beyond good wigs, beyond expensive dresses. Please make sure you are putting in your money, investing your time in your education, investing your time, your money in gaining knowledge, learning a skill. It basically could be whatever that is of substance, that is just going to be of more value to you and to anybody really who comes around you. Investing in yourself is also about nurturing your goals, nurturing your passions, your aspirations, whatever that you have set for yourself to achieve in life generally. It can also mean being goal driven. Okay, so now what I mean by that is that you have a goal, you are set on that goal, and you are investing whatever it takes to do to achieve whatever you have laid for yourself out to do. So as you are entering 2024, or if you're watching this video already in 2024 or even later, whatever the time could be, I want you to understand that it is very as much, even more important sometimes to invest in what is inside of you than sometimes what is outside of you. Okay, now this next one is something that is so personal to me that I feel like, I wish someone told me this earlier, maybe in my early or late teens, which is to not rush your life. Don't rush the phases of your life. Each phase of your life is meant to teach you something. It is meant to help you to be better. It is sometimes meant to prepare you for the next stage of your life. Do not eat your seed with people who are eating their harvest. Okay, so right now everybody is looking fly on the internet, everybody is looking good. It is very easy sometimes for you to be carried away or for you to be under certain pressures that will make you want to also follow the trend, when you should be focusing or be concentrated on your goals that you have set for yourself to achieve, that will help you maybe in 2 years or in 3 years time to be living that fly and expensive life that you see other people living. Sometimes the people who are living these lifestyles have been investing in themselves for years back that you could not see, that you do not know anything of. And you that is just starting life, you are trying to pressure yourself just to belong or to feel among. Please let all that pressure go. right now, all I'm concentrated in is to really invest in things that are going to help me to live a very easy life throughout my late 20s and even my middle 20s and my 30s and so on and so forth. Okay, so do not try to eat everything you have. Save up your money, make sure you are investing in something tangible. Do not do the things that you're supposed to be doing in your 30s or in your late 20s. Do not rush it and do it now in your early 20s or maybe even as 18, 19. Please don't do it. Okay, if you're in your early 20s, what you should be doing is to be investing in yourself, trying to get your money right so that you don't have to fight for your money when in your 30s. You don't have to bother when you're in your 30s. Get your money right, have your education prioritized, learn a skill, have something tangible that you're doing with your time, period. If you're not new to my channel, you must probably have watched this video where I mentioned something about not being able to make friends, which kind of relates to the next point I'm about to give you guys right now. Okay, now I've always been somebody who is, I don't need friends, I don't need a best friend, even though I used to have one. And this year I have known that it is very important to have at least one good genuine friendship with somebody, with a girl who genuinely loves you and who you genuinely love, where both of you hold yourselves accountable, both of you are sincere, you uplift each other, you help each other with your business, whatever you guys are doing. Just somebody to basically fall back to, somebody who advises you. It might not be a total stranger, it might not even be a friend, it could be a sister, it could be just a genuine person who generally just wants to see you win. Okay, just one friendship that is going to help you be better, do better, motivate you, heal you is very much needed and is very much important. And at this point, I am definitely working towards that for myself. It doesn't mean that you should start rushing yourself or be under any pressure to force friendships on people who naturally the friendship is not just flowing. If the friendship is not just flowing and taking its natural course, just don't force it and don't be into any pressure to have a best friend. The person might not even generally be your best friend. It might just be somebody who sees you, who loves you, who is rooting for you even when you are not there. The last two tips that I'm going to be sharing for today's video, because I really don't want this video to be so lengthy, is girl, don't be in a haste to find love. Don't be in so much haste to find the love of your life. Sometimes the love of your life right now that you really need to be concentrating on is your work, your education, something that you have doing for yourself. Just don't be in so much haste to find love. A lot of people have centered their life around relationships and around their significant others. It shouldn't be so. Relationship should be about maybe 20% of your life. You have your school, your family, education, career, your hobbies, your passion, goals. A lot of these things are also parts of your life. So please give all of these things equal attention. Don't lose yourself completely when you get into a relationship. Always have a part of yourself to yourself. Don't lose yourself completely to nobody. Okay, your friendship or your relationship with yourself is everlasting. Anybody can come and go in your life. Your sister, your friends, your best friend, your husband, your wife, anybody can come and go. Anybody can fizzle out. Anyone can decide not to ever be in your life again. But guess who is always going to be with you for eternity, which is, apart from God, is yourself. And that will bring me to the subtle art of really not giving a fuck. Stop caring too much about what people think. It's not your responsibility to make people to like you. Maybe an internalized trauma is making you want to seek validation from every other person around you except from yourself. The only validation that you need really is self-validation. Any other validation really does not matter. Do not make yourself unhappy just simply because you want to please other people or because you're caring so much about what every other person behind you thinks. If I genuinely want to be sincere with you guys, I want to tell you that it is never too late to start over. You might have that failed business. If you dropped out of school, go back to school. If you stop business, go back. We are entering a new year or is a new year. Please go back. Please don't just easily give up on your dreams and your aspirations, your passions. If you have something that is really in you that you genuinely want to do for yourself, and that will bring us to the final tip for today's video, which is to trust God. Pray, don't stop believing. please pray. I have had situations this year that made me to be like, I am never praying again, because the more I keep praying, the more it seems like crazy things keep happening. I keep praying and I lost a lot of money. I keep praying and a lot of this happened to me. What is the need of praying, you know? But what thing God is God is faithful, and most of the things that I found myself that I have lost throughout this day, like I have almost recovered all, and God has been so faithful and great to me. So if there's anything I really have to let you know is that sometimes during the worst times, during some battles and some obstacles, don't stop believing and don't stop praying. I know that sometimes in almost everybody's life, we've had that stage where it seems like we are beefing with God, because you feel like God is not answering your prayers, He's not hearing you. You said this, you said that, you keep praying, but nothing keeps happening. I know, because I've been there too, but this is that reminder to help to tell you that please don't stop believing. Sometimes a lot of things happen. I don't know why. I really can't explain, but once you don't give up and once you keep praying, God is definitely going to help you and hear you and help you out of such situations. I hope this video was helpful to you in any way. If it was, please let me know that in the comment section. Let me know all your thoughts. I want to hear from you guys. I genuinely want to hear from you guys, so please let us interact that in the comment section. And also give this video a big thumbs up. This will help other people who need to see videos like this a chance to actually come across my video. And also please be a part of the family. You are going to love it here, girl, by subscribing to this channel, and I can't wait to see you guys real quick real soon. Bye for now, Wednesdays. Mwah!